Hirap bang makipagsabayan ng puso mo sa'yo? Give your heart a break with new Skyflakes Fit Omega 3. Get Skyflakes Fit Omega 3 today. Your life together. Your retirement. We at BDO can help you reach your goals through savings and investments. Because together, we find ways.
With the power of smart comes the new Red Unlimited. 25 pesos a day for calls and texts. Plus 60 free texts to all networks. The new Red Unlimited.
Sa bawat pagbabago,
ang laging kasama ang walang kapantay na sarap ng Goldilocks. Lalong gumaganda. Lalong sumasarap ang samahan ng pamilyang Pinoy. Pag may bagong saya, you're the one, Goldilocks.
Learning goes on no matter what because Enfakid A Plus has ingredients that support brain development and immunity. Enfakid A Plus.
Dapat ata 6 senses.
Oh? Bakit?
Observe. Sense of sight. Kita mo ang layers ng voice combo sandwich. Sense of touch. Sense of smell. Sense of hearing. Lutong. Sense of taste.
Oh, ano yung pang-anim?
Abscess. Wala ng voice.
Ibang sarap pag may voice.
Ilang tapak palang kilala mo, Papa Pals, meet Papa Dog.
The big hot dog.
mga everyday food, ipakilala. Samahan ng sweet sarap na kilala nila. Ipapa.
Si Emil, batang papan TLC na. Tulad ng kuya niya, ito ay nakakatulong sa kanyang paglaki, pagiging masigla at pagiging #1 sa school. Propan TLC ang may tamang combination of vitamins, plus taurine, lysine, and chlorella. Salamat, Propan TLC!
Dapat mabilis. Walang pabagal-bagal. Kaya pag may lagnat sa Inigo, tula na yan. Brings down kids' fever faster than paracetamol. Works up to 8 hours pa.
Sarap ng sundaes. Itong favorite ko, orange na orange. Sarap talaga ng sundaes. Oh, kahit Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday.
Sobrang init. Suddenly, naging matamlay. Suddenly, sakit na pala. Sapat pa ba ang proteksyon niya? Mag-Celine araw-araw. Most prescribed by doctors. Laban sa matinding suddenly. Celine, protect todo anumang panahon.
New Serve antibacterial with 5 herbal extracts. Hanggang 99% germ-free pati sa germiest areas.
Ano mas maganda? Ito o ito?
Ito!
Vaseline na kasi ang gamit namin eh. Vaseline Naturals 2-in-1. Ginagawang
Really soft and beautiful ang hair.
Ang ganda.
In a major way.
Vaseline Naturals for the softest hair from Vaseline ever.
Did you know that improper use of hydroquinone whiteners may be damaging? Take a look. This is what it does to an apple. Can you imagine what it can do to your skin? Choose the safe way to whiten. Pond's White Beauty Cream. It contains vitamin B3 that safely whitens from within, lycopene for pinkish white glow, and UV shields that protect against harmful sun rays. Expert in safe whitening with Pond's White Beauty.
Also available in 20-gram tube. Now only 40 pesos.
Uy, bago!
Ang nakakatakam na roast beef nasa spread na. Bagong Ladies' Choice Roast Beef Spread with real beef bits. Kaya siguradong sandwich magiging... Yes! Nakakatakam!
Which?
Try them all!
Aanin ko pa pagkapogi ko kung ayaw nila sa ice cream ko.
Ana, use your coconut.
New Select na Pinoy Sorbetes. Coco milk ang dinagdag, kaya naging mas malinamnam. Kesong-keso. 99 lang.
Tikman ang sarap ng Tang Fruities! Ang iced tea na may kakaibang fruit flavors. Para sa ibang klaseng sarap. Tang Fruities!
3-in-1 plus 1, Supreme Kaarawan. 3-in-1 plus 1, Happy Happy Supreme Kaarawan.
Bago to! Cookies and cream. Nasa Selecta 3-in-1 plus 1 Supreme.
149 lang.
Selecta, #1.
New Surf antibacterial with 5 herbal extracts. Hanggang 99% germ-free pati sa germiest areas.
What if Sunsilk brought together 7 of the best hair experts in the world to create the best ever Sunsilk? The creator of the Healthy Hair Straightening System. The hair fall expert from New York. The man supermodels trust to repair their hair. The expertise of 7 of the best hair experts in the world, now in every bottle of new Sunsilk. New Sunsilk Co-Creations for expert-touched hair.
Aanin ko pa pagkapogi ko kung ayaw nila sa ice cream ko. Anak, use your coconut. New Select na Pinoy Sorbetes. Coco milk ang dinagdag, kaya naging mas malinamnam. Kesong-keso. 99 lang.
Ano mang mangyari, kaya mong gawing perfect ang araw nila. Sa 3 Knorr Sinigang Mix, may libreng plato ka. Para sa tamang asim, tamang sarap. Para sa salo-salo na perfect 10, Knorr Sinigang Mix. Pili na!
Ang pagmamahal ng ina, walang katumbas na halaga. Lalo na pagdating sa nutrisyon. Kaya sa milk na mas mura, dapat mag-isip ka. Nakatipid ka nga ba? O ikaw ang tinipid? Ang Lactum 3 Plus, busog sa nutrients. May higher levels pa. Malinaw na nangingibabaw. And giving proper nourishment. Abot kayang nutrisyon sa presyong abot kaya. Kaya walang kompromiso sa pag-alaga. Kaya naman, 100% panatag ka. Lactum 3 Plus. Ang Lactum 3 Plus sulit pack ay 20 grams free.
In ka na ba sa bagong hit? New Lucky Me Special Baked Mac. The first easy-to-prepare Baked Mac from Lucky Me. With fun macaroni twists covered in sweet, meaty tomato sauce. Instant ang sarap, kaya pati si Mommy. New Lucky Me Special Baked Mac. Also comes in mac and cheese.
Eden presents a recipe for a kiss. Sa Eden Sulit Pack, pancake mix at chocolate syrup, mas magiging special ang merienda. Kay daming nagagawa with Eden Sulit Pack.
3-in-1 plus 1, Supreme Kaarawan. 3-in-1 plus 1, happy, happy Supreme Kaarawan.
Bago to! Cookies and cream. Nasa Selecta 3-in-1 plus 1 Supreme.
149 lang.
Selecta, number 1.
Ang mga shampoo sachet, pare-pareho ba? Let's Busisi. Ang iba, mukhang malaki lang. Pero ang Vaseline Naturals, 50% more. Kaya magbusisi bago pa magsisi. Vaseline Naturals, pinakamalaking triple sachet. 5 pesos lang din.